One thing that's going to be a concern as we head into the weekend with all the recent fires is going to be burn scar flooding. So in other words, like we're looking at some periods of heavy rain this weekend, and if you get one of those heavier storms over all that dry, dead vegetation, and it literally kind of burns the soil, so there's nothing to hold it, right? So that's going to be a potential risk.
I was thinking maybe
weekend.
Fire and floods would be just two complete separate categories, but if it's not fires,
really.
it's something else,
exactly.
right?
So something, I mean, it will definitely help with fires that are still active, but anywhere where there is significant burn scarring, that's going to be a big issue this weekend, and of course we'll monitor that very closely. Here in Great Falls, waking up to a very hazy start out there, a lot of smoke still drifting throughout central Montana. Air qualities are not going to be great today. It should start to clear up around the noon hour, starting the day out at 56, Cut Bank at about 53, and a few 60s in northeastern Montana. Here in the capital, taking a look at our Opportunity Bank iCam, very similar story, very hazy conditions and slightly cloudy skies this morning. Not nearly as muggy as what we saw yesterday, but still not a great start to the day. 57 near Seeley Lake, 67 here in Helena, and Boulder Hill at about 64. Bright and early, not much wind either. Today's high temperatures winding up to 93 in Great Falls, 92 in Helena, and a few early 90s, mid-90s there near Jordan. As for the fire concern today, we do have a fire weather warning, but that's way in southwestern Montana, so not in our direct area. And the reason for that is we're going to see some breezy conditions in that area due to our next incoming weather system. Tonight, a little bit warmer than what we've seen over the past few. 62 for your overnight low in Great Falls, 63 in Helena. Same story in northeastern Montana, a little bit cooler in the north and west, likely in the mid-50s. Then tomorrow, we're going to see those temperatures fall off the charts compared to where we've been. 79 in Great Falls, same story in Helena. Few lingering 80s and 90s in eastern Montana, but for the most part, much cooler air is going to start settling in. The whole reason behind that, we're going to start with water vapor imagery because this really paints the picture of our next weather maker. Big area of low pressure off of the North Pacific. That system is going to start tracking in as we head toward the weekend. So fast forwarding up to Friday, tomorrow morning, we're going to see that area of low pressure just start to make its way inland. And what you're looking at here is a lot of little white lines. Those are pressure levels, and it shows us where the big dip in the jet stream is going to be. So as that system moves in, it's going to hook onto that Pacific moisture and drag it throughout the state. So by Friday afternoon and evening, pretty widespread showers expected for most of western Montana. That system will continue to make its way inland by Saturday morning, Saturday afternoon into the evening. More widespread showers breaking more into central Montana. We'll see showers in central Montana Friday, Saturday, Sunday, but Saturday into Sunday will have the best chance. Once that area of low pressure makes its way inland, we're going to see that big dip in the jet stream. There's the remaining high pressure. That's going to slice out of the area, and that low pressure system is going to plant itself right over top of the state, allowing for much cooler air to settle in. So widespread showers as we head into the weekend, much cooler though on Sunday. As for the precipitation, we're likely going to see right around a half an inch, but some areas not going to catch as much. I think that's a little bit conservative for Great Falls. Most areas should see about a half an inch out of this system. Here's how that all translates over the next 7 days. 93 today, drop into the 70s this weekend. Showers and thunderstorms pretty widespread up through Sunday. Right now, it does look like that system should move out by Monday, but we could still see a few stray showers as we kick off the work week. Keely.